week in my life as a B.SC nursing student. So let's start the week with Sunday. The highlight of the Sunday was that I made gujias that day. And of course, I didn't make it by myself. I didn't make it alone. Firstly, I thought that it is very easy and I can do it with myself, but I just gave up in the process. So I asked my mama to help me and she came to the rescue. So I prepared the filling like khoya and added suji to it and sugar to it. And I made 10 gujias by myself and I was like, done. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. And then फिर मम्मी आई एंड मम्मी ने सारा गुजिया बनाया एंड मैंने बस उसे फ्राई किया. गुजियास बनाने के बाद another highlight was making PPT. This week I had a micro teaching and for that I have to make a lesson plan and aviates. So I choose PPT as aviates and I had enough time on Sunday. So I started making PPT at evening, but I couldn't record it because of course I was using both my phone and laptop for the content. And then this is the PPT which I made and I don't know why, but I was really liking my name on the PPT's front page. Like, I don't know why, but this made me feel good. Next morning it was Monday and I had to take train to go to college. I like traveling from train, bus, car, bike, anything. So I enjoy my time in trains. So I edited a short video and then I watched an episode of a series. Then I took bus to reach IGIMS and that is also my favorite part, to listen to music and watching outside the window. I reached at 8 am in my room and then I just had my breakfast and relaxed for a while and left for the classes. In nursing college, for some external subject, we have to go to medical college to attend the class, and for internal subjects, we have to study in nursing college itself. And after completing 9 to 5 extreme hectic classes, I came back and cleaned my room a bit and then started studying again. Because to give a micro teaching, we have to prepare a lesson plan format and submit it to the teacher, and once it is checked, we can give our presentation. So another thing happened that day was कि जब मैं सुबह ट्रेन में चढ़ने वाली थी उसके पहले बारिश हो रही थी and उसकी वजह से मैं थोड़ी भीग गई थी and because मैं 2-3 घंटे तक वैसी रही, so शाम तक मुझे फीवर एंड कोल्ड हो गया and my throat was also paining. तो मुझे ऐसा कुछ गर्म पीने का मन हो रहा था, तो मुझे याद आया कि I have something to make काढ़ा. तो हॉस्टल में जितनी भी चीज़ें थी उससे बनाया काढ़ा and honestly and उसे पीकर बहुत रिलीफ हुआ. इससे पहले मुझे काढ़ा कभी इतना पसंद नहीं आया था. ट्यूसडे को ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं हुआ एंड मेरी तबीयत भी बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गई थी, तो उस दिन मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, बस दवाइयाँ ली और किसी तरह से क्लास किया 9 to 5 एंड शाम तक आई वाज फीलिंग बेटर. सो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं कि कैसे करनी है. Sunlight dances through the window. Lazy haze fills up the room. Got no plans, just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. नेक्स्ट डे वेंसडे को भी हमारी माइक्रो टीचिंग कैंसिल हो गई और उसकी जगह पे लैब आवर्स हो गए. सो वी लर्न कैथेटराइजेशन एंड थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस की उसकी. द नेक्स्ट डे हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुई फ्रॉम न्यूट्रिशन. सो 9 to 10 न्यूट्रिशन की क्लास अटेंड की एंड वी लर्न डिफरेंट थिंग्स लाइक इंट्रोडक्शन, व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिशन, व्हाट इज न्यूट्रिएंट्स, व्हाट इज हेल्थ एंड हाउ न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेल्थ आर रिलेटेड, एंड व्हाट इज BMI, व्हाट इज PMR, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट आइडल वेट और योर BMI और पर्सनस BMI. उसके बाद वी हैड अ कैलकुलेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. सो वी वर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चन एंड माय फ्रेंड आल्सो नीड द हेल्प, सो आई हेल्प्ड हर. देन 10 to 12 we learned about medication administration and 12 to 1 we attended the class of health assessment, and then 1 to 2 was lunch, and after that 2 to 3 it was biochemistry class. Lastly, when we have to present our micro teachings from 3 to 5, the teacher was absent, so the hours converted into library hours and we all went to library to finish the assignment because we got 5 assignment and it was a lot to write. And believe me, when I'm editing this video I'm still writing the last one. Writing assignments in library is very helpful because we can get any content very easily, and of course we can get so many book reference to write in bibliography, and also the library is very beautiful and peaceful. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me, wrapped up in blankets, under the sheets, lost in the moment, in our own dream. So after finishing 3 to 5 library hours, we went back and also got to know that कि सारे B.SC का poster out हो चुका है and the date is out now. The function is going to be on 25th, 26th and 27th, and also there are so many things to participate and to show your talents in cultural or any kind of like mehndi, rangoli, singing, dancing, anything, performance, photography, anything. There's so many things to participate and to show your performances thing. And I also participated in mehndi competition. And next day was Friday, and firstly we learned about the sites of injections, and then my brother sent this x-ray of him and told me to find out the fracture. I can't read it but I guessed it right. And finally Friday को हमारी माइक्रो टीचिंग हो ही गई and I was really happy, सब कुछ अच्छे से हो गया. Next day was Saturday, so after completing all the classes I went to junction and took train and फिर मैं घर आ गई. शाम को मम्मी से थोड़ी बहुत बात की and then फिर अपने assignment के काम में वापस से लग गई. I was taking taking medicine also because पूरे हफ्ते was not well and I had to take medicine for a week. So assignment का काम करते करते मैं बीच में साइट भी चेक कर रही थी because उस दिन मेरिट लिस्ट आना था and I think it was late list उस दिन अगर अगले दिन शाम को आया, पर मुझे कट ऑफ पे वीडियो बनाना था तो I was checking the site. फिर सैटरडे को तो रिलीज नहीं हुआ, मेरिट लिस्ट तो अगले दिन संडे को रिलीज हुआ, तो नेक्स्ट डे संडे को उस पर वीडियो बनाया and that was all about my week. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment and share and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.